I'll scare the sprinkles off your cookies.
The 3-inch side of the mask should be parallel to the doll's hairline. Now I'm using a piercing and scoring tool to poke holes through the ends of the mask so that we can tie it. Align the bottom holes to the doll's neckline. Then use the narrow end of an embossing tool to widen the holes for the string. With a crochet needle, pull the bamboo string from the outside to the inside. Then tie a knot on the foam sheet side, leaving the longer end of the string to hang on the felt sheet side. Next, cut both strings at the center. Tie them at the hairline and the neckline to see that it fits on your doll. Both the top and bottom of the mask will be covered with fur. To make the prosthetics, you'll need dark green clay and round it into a ball for part of the face. Then use yellow molding clay for the eyes. I used a hobby knife to cut them identically. Using a lighter green clay for the deeper facial structure. Roll black clay for the nose and pink for the lips. I'm using the same hobby knife to add expression lines. This will also emphasize the Grinch's frown. I'm adding a diamond-shaped eyebrow ridge to make him look even more angry. I'm cutting and using a sandwich bag to protect his suit from the paint. I'm mixing yellow and forest green to get the perfect Grinch green color for his face and his hands. I love painting with Q-tips because they're really good at adding texture and filling in gaps and crevices. Also, they're good for easy cleanup. For precision, I'm using a thin hardened paintbrush to dot dark green pupils on the eyes. While parts of the face dry, I'm adding nostrils to the nose with the sewing needle. It is tiny, but you can see it. You'll need to glue on 5 to 6 dark green feathers to add hair to the Grinch's mask and his hands. Once glued, cut off the feather shafts as well as excess hair. Time to paint the face, including under and over the feathers. He's starting to look more like the Grinch and less like a green jay. I've glued on the prosthetics. I decided to detail the eyes more with black paint and a toothpick. Going for a very dramatic look, so I decided to exaggerate the eyebrows with white feather and add stuffing cotton on the sides for hair. Trim the hair so that it's flat and fits under the Santa hat. We could still use more detail around the eyebrows and the eyes. I've painted the cotton hair. I've added dark green clay to exaggerate the eyebrows. That little cotton ball sticking out back there is not going to stop me from adding deeper expression lines with black clay.
I smell happiness.
Now I'm just using black paint and a toothpick to line the eyes. Whoa, he looks pretty scary. Now I'm sealing the mask with Mod Podge. While the Grinch's mask dries, let's make the removable shoe covers with leftover red felt sheet. I'm using the corner of a stencil to get the triangular shape of the pointed shoe. Trace, fold, then cut the triangle, and then cut it again in half for both shoes. Cut out a hole above the shoe, then glue the cover closed. The shoe cover comes on and off, time to line it with fur. I'm cutting a strip from a leftover Santa hat. Glue the strip at the top of the shoe cover, then repeat these steps to the second cover. With more green felt sheet and foam sheet, we're going to make the removable hand covers. To get the shape, I'm tracing the thumb of an adult hand glove. Trace and cut out 2 thumbs at approximately 2.5 inches long. Cut them in half, then use them to trace and cut out the shapes from the felt sheet. Glue the foam sheets together, then glue the felt sheets on the front and back. Repeat these steps for the second hand cover. Using the previous glued-on feather and paint method, I'm creating fur for the hand covers. You can use your finger or a pair of scissors to open the hand covers before placing them on the doll. These fit at just the right length. To wear the shoe covers, put them over the foot first, then put on the shoes last. By the way, I'm leaving a list of supplies in the description below. This doll is ready to be the Grinch at any time with this removable mask. Cindy Lou!
I'm the Grinch, and I'll be back for more.
I had a lot of fun making this, and you can join me in making more crafts and subscribe for our entertaining episodes and shorts. Thanks for watching.